As I hope the connection is good today. Now, yes, I. Oh, what is going on? Okay, great, great, my dear friends. So far, so good, I should say. Okay, so far, so good. Let me have my tea as well. Hey, everyone, be my guest. It's going to become a very beautiful session today. Am I alone on this trade or anyone else with me as well? Nicely going down, by the way. Hi, Iceberry. Beautiful trade opportunities I'm expecting today, but you know, like, we need to wait for the market. So will you be remembering what I said in the previous stream, that no matter how the market is, we are not going to, like, we should not be increasing our lots. Okay, otherwise if we increase our lots, then we have to hedge, and see, hedging is this way. Now I will be now I will be right here. First of all, try to get rid of some of these positions, and at the same time I would like to share that whole process with you. So whether that can be this release of a trade, okay, it can be maybe a release of this trade. Maybe I close that first, from there I close half, I close full, who knows. Before like it's when the time comes, then I will be deciding, then we will be deciding together that okay, our time came now. Now we need to decide what we need to do. uh, as soon as you join the stream, try to give me a like. Okay, it is, I do need this thumbs up on the stream. See, I want to spread regarding this trading. I want to, like, there is, my friends, a lot of stuff that I want to deliver right here. Not just the technicals and this and that. along with the technicals, there is still fundamental room right here with us. Still the global situations we have, and then we also have to be getting successful together. So this is a journey. This is a journey, okay? And anyone who want to follow this journey with me, I want to tell you this thing, that sometime when the market is slow and I'm more focused on it, as a proper disciplined trader, a time comes that despite of the slow market, I try to force a little bit. By I mean like literally every trader, every mentor, everyone. And we should not be judging the performance of a mentor by just 1 week or two, or one stream or two streams. We need to see that whole journey together. Here most traders will come, will say, sir, give me a signal. My friend, even if I give you a signal, let's say, so will you be relying on others? Okay, just understand the concept a little bit, then these things are going to become easy. Okay, market is in full mood to go up today, but I'm not doing anything for now. I am thinking to get rid of these smaller positions first. Okay, and there is one buy opportunity waiting for me. Okay, I will be availing that as well if I get a chance. And I have to see the news as well, because Forex Factory, because today is Wednesday. So let's see, we have FOMC meeting minutes, but that is later. Now we have nothing for this session. Later at 11 p.m. Yes, if I get a chance I will be coming live. Do you remember I traded Jackson Hole Symposium with you in August? Wow, my friend. I mean, literally, like, that was a wow kind of a trade. Let me see if I can find, it's been some time now, but still, let's see. August, okay. This really was not there. 33.10 price was standing. No, right here. This is 2025. This is May. This is November, not this one. Oh, my friend, how time passes by. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Where is that then? April, August. August. August is right here. Yes, here. See, Jackson Hole Symposium, my friend. Have a look at it. See this candle. 32.68, and right here 32.80, and right here 33.10. This breakout. 33.10 breakout. And since then, if you see, market never go up down there. And there are position investors who are holding physical gold on the basis of that. But I don't do it commercially. For example, now I should ask them, hey, give me some share. I don't do it commercially. I just do it for myself. Who is with me in the chat? There is no news today, okay? Market is bullish, but I'm not trading for now this breakout, okay? I can if I get a proper confirmation, then I can. Okay, that SL is gone. I will just let it go till up there, okay? This Fibonacci. Do you see? And right here, then I'm waiting for it today. Maybe for a very strong sell zone, okay? This here. I'm so sure it is moving up 472 pips, but I'm not doing anything unless I get a proper confirmation, my friends, okay? Give me 5 likes, complete 5 likes, and let me know who is with me in the chat. Iceberry, how are you doing, my dear friend? Where are you from? Sorry, I forget, or maybe you haven't told me. Now, I am not doing unless I get good volume. Once I get good volume, then we decide, okay? But I wish if I can close this today. Wow, my friend, that will be too fun. See, this I will be expecting, okay? This and this. So I will close this. I will let the market run till 45.30, and there I will hedge it either again, or I will close all of them and will get rid of these negative positions. My friends, if one get upset if the person is holding a hedging positions, that trader cannot become a good trader, okay? Who cannot hold positions, or who is non-stop questioning his abilities, I should say. My friends, see, nice bullish momentum is forming. I think maybe a drop and a wick, and I'm completely out of the situation. Let's see out of it if I close 0.01. It doesn't show me the stop loss for it. See my friend, on the 4 hour it seems a very nice comeback to the market, and people in the London session were blindly selling, my friends. Aren't they crazy? That's why I uploaded that video very quickly. Uploaded it with the neighbor's Wi-Fi. And yes, this breakout is officially done. Okay. India. I am from Pakistan. My friend, the breakout has done. Now what should we do? Keeping the stop a little bit tight and the lot size controlled. $10 of a risk this trade will give me. But my friend, if it continue, it can give me $153. And just $10 of a risk it is giving me. Nah, my friend, no, 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 no. I should be waiting. I think, yes, I'm sure it is going up, but not my way. Okay. Yes, I would be in a better position if I didn't close this. I didn't open it in the morning, and by now I would be in a very decent profit. But anyways, let's see. Just patience will be keep saving us. Okay. Patience. Okay, I'll be right back. Just give me one moment. Leave a like everyone on this stream. My friends, this is a little bit of fee I charge from you. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything. This is now, my friend, I'm not trading for now, okay? I just let it go. Now, I'm not trading this breakout. Maybe I'm planning to sell from there, or if it go up there, I will be closing my buys. See, there is at this present moment what's going on is this intraday has broken, okay, and on the H4, if we see on the H4, maybe it seems a very strong crashing up market as well. It can definitely crash if it gets enough volume today, because now this bigger correction, you know, is also very much possible. Back till 46.54. So now this will be obviously my resistance. Okay, 46.53 is going to be my resistance. And ideally, let's suppose if I want to take, let me hide this, okay? If I want to take, let's suppose, a buy in such situations, how will I get it? For example, I see that okay, this market is dropping, breakout. Right here, if I want to trade, how will I trade? See, market go down as this, and understand it, please. Okay, this is very much important thing I'm telling you. Ideally, I will be looking for a double bottom. If this double bottom forms, I will say okay, this much of stop loss if I place, I can target this much of a risk, I can target this much of a profit. So this is my risk and that is my profit. This is my risk, this is my reward. So swing trade, this will be a swing opportunity. My friends, if it get it, we are going to get it together, okay? What confirmations I look for, how I take it, how I don't take it, everything, what things I avoid, what I don't, okay? My friends, no doubt this will be a retest level on the H4, okay? No doubt. Why I'm not trading this breakout? See it clearly, like usually you, like in Forex and everywhere you have seen, you have heard me saying and keep saying that once a breakout occurs, market go back up for a retest and then drop from there. So why I'm not trading it? My friend, first thing, I already made some decisions yesterday that I'm not happy about, okay, and I'm holding them. I am holding them. See, they are in front of you in the on the chart. So this, so obviously since now I'm in hedging, hedging requires swing trading. Majority of the swing traders are hedgers. So one opportunity, my friend, can be this. To me, it makes very fantastic sense as this. But my friend, one thing I want to tell you. My friend, if it fails, don't judge me. Don't judge my strategy. This is a request. Okay, but on the first place I think I will be going for it on proper confirmation then. Now coming on to this present breakout, which I have decided to not trade this, and I don't want to involve right now at this moment before the New York opens. I don't want to get involved into the trade. It can break in. For example, I plan a sell right now and this is a break in. I'm again gone. Okay, so for a good and sharp trader, I think even a little hint is enough. Okay, so patiently I will be waiting, but it doesn't mean we are wasting time. This market will be telling us a lot of the stories today. Let's switch this template and take it to very closer to those yesterday's analysis. Okay, so here let's paste it here. Yes, further here. No, not this black one. Let's see this one. This is that yesterday's stuff. And my friend, as per that particular plan, see this one, I discussed it yesterday. Okay, I hope now you get a good idea. That as far as this market is as this, and there is one bigger as well. Okay, or maybe a break above. But the ultimate goal will be to hit this particular zone. Understand? And a lot of the traders, my friends, are stuck. If I extend this internal one that yesterday, see, it gave us, this is that mistake I did. Please don't run away from the stream. On the intraday and scalping, mistakes are very obvious. Okay, okay, this was a sell zone, but I already took my decision to the buy, so little bit bad psychology yesterday. So do use your own logic as well. Then if I continue it as this, my friends, the story of this trend is now over. Okay, even as this it is broken, and even as this it is also broken. As this is broken, and as this it is even retested as well. So this is a sharp rally up. Okay, in the morning video what I said, I hope you get my point from the title of the video. I said it. Furthermore, my dear friends, let's extend this level a little bit, and this level will still be playing its role. Yes, my friends, this level, okay, this one from the yesterday. and it is keep playing its role. So ideally I want big volume right here so I can make fantastic profits today. This is my original plan. Now you 10 are watching, make the likes again to 10. Okay, Joy Ride, good evening, how are you doing guys? Barry, uh, so that is 2. You say we should be patient sometimes, so that is 2. Good. Okay, how about you? I'm also good, my friends. So first, on the H4, like if one wants to say this is a breakout, because usually in the forex market, when a breakout occurs, it go for a retest and it continue back down at least till this level, okay, and sometimes continue. Sometimes it doesn't do this, it go breakout. Sometimes it doesn't give us a breakout, it do this. Sometimes market reverses from here, sometimes it doesn't reverses from here. This one works, okay, and sometimes market go crazy at such situations as this, not tradable markets. So this is the whole logic behind gold at this particular moment, and perhaps this is one reason I'm not buying on the lower time frames, because this is a very technical zone. My buying level that I have showed you in the previous session, I did it, okay, but I then again sold right here, which was again, I should say, right now when I see the market I say no, this is not a good decision, okay, but in the real time we don't know, okay. So this is that hedging trade, and due to this hedging trade I couldn't buy right here, okay. So this is market, we are not going to fight with the market, we are going to wait for it so it gives us something, so then we trade, so then we make profits. Walrus Sui, yes my friends, my friend. Good evening Joyride, how are you doing? Till now so far, do you like my strategy? Do you like the teachings that I provide in my live stream while I practice these? Okay, now if I switch to the lower time frame, my friend, my like I barely can control myself. I see this drop, but that will be, see, again an immediate 57 pips of a stop loss it needs. Anyone who knows it happens or not happens. Okay, so I am waiting a little bit for a sell. Yes, if definitely I get a scalping sell, confirmed one, I am going to take it then. Yes friend, let's take it then. I'm taking, but oops, again my friend, oh thank god. But again, let's do it slightly here. We can obviously today plan near 44, 85, 80 for quicker profits, my friends. What do we need from the market? You tell me this, huh? 50, 60, 100, 150, 200 pips. This much. So I think this level should be giving us that. Plus immediately if one wants to, let's say, book something, then this is that scalping trade with a candle high $1.60 I'm risking, okay. And my friends, this whole story I will be following with all of you, okay. So yes, if one say I cannot stop myself from looking at the bad indicators and bad strategies, then I think my friend, see, like this is market. When we trade we don't know it is going to stop me out or it is going to continue, and the trader needs to understand it, because if the trader doesn't understand what I'm saying right now, my friend, things will get a little bit complicated, and even slight complexity can bring bigger losses. That's why I say, see, this is that sell trade, but this is quick scalping. Let's see, 15 pips I'm risking, so at least 15 pips it should give me. This is trade management. Okay. Yes, my friends. And if it closes bearish engulfing, then it is going further down. Okay. This is a very good sniper entry, but my friend, the stop loss to look further bullish. I mean, anyone who is getting 50-60 pips should get it. But my friends, if this whole is a drop, 300 pips it is. Yes, this much you understand. So yes, 15 pips, if it can give me 17 pips, still it's nice. Okay, and I'm not saying it's going in one candle. It will obviously take some time, my friend. $19 pips I booked from the market. Okay, I let the rest of the move go. Okay, my friends, I badly want to trade, but we need to stop ourselves. Okay, we need to stop ourselves. It's okay if the market comes here, I will close my sell, the whole of it. Wow, my friend, just imagine, price dropping 250 pips right now. Nice drop, nice logic for the sell, because this is a very bigger sell area on the H4, very bigger one, my friend. And even maybe if it is going to give a correction back or not, but let me place a pending or limit, or let's see, not pending, let's see. So let's see, patiently wait for it. There is nothing better than patience, my friend. Yes, you know, you guys will be laughing at me or something, but patience is something that is profit. Okay, patience is profit, my friend. Patience is peace. Why? Because when you have patience, you will be not trading. When you are not trading, you will be relaxed. When you are relaxed, you will be reading the charts. When you read the charts, ultimately you find that better opportunity, right? So anyone who is holding, my situation is a little bit different. For today, if I had no trade, then I definitely would be selling from right here. Today I also booked 20 pips from it, but let's see. Okay, let's see, because I should wait for it. This is my situation, 0.09. If I add 1.09 further and immediately it stopped me out, then my friend, I don't like it. This is then that psychology a little bit. Okay, everyone has this human emotion and everything, but those who control it, those who understand how to control these emotions, they are the kings. Okay, anyone holding a beautiful sell right here? Yes, private mentorship I have, but my friend, I give only like one-on-one sessions. One-on-one mean like on the Zoom meetings, I should say. Okay, no recorded course or things like that, because recorded courses doesn't work. That's why I haven't. And if one wants, I can on demand record one as well, but not as such that I have one group and I will be selling it to everyone, or one I will have the one uh, course, and I will be selling and will be making hundreds and thousands of dollars of money. What type of a trader I am then? If I'm fooling then the traders out there, right? These things doesn't work. Whenever you go for mentorship, go for live, okay, not recorded one. Recorded is anyways full. From 10 years I am saying, from 10 years my recordings are there. So Feroz Khan, Walaikum Assalam. How are you doing, my dear friend? Where is Volness Volvic today, by the way? He yesterday gave a very good. I will be appreciating him. Let's see when he comes. Volness Volvic said something very correctly yesterday in the chat room. See, this level is. Where was that yesterday? Yes, here. He said price will be hovering around right here. 45, 10 somewhere. See, when who learns, they learn. Then they help me. Right? Then they help me. So Volness Volvic, I will be appreciating him today when he come to the stream. He doesn't show up on such markets. He usually show up on bigger days. But and Feroz Khan, what about you? You said something as well. I remember yesterday regarding the market. You said something, but now I am forgetting it. Walaikum Assalam. I'm good, Saifullah PSM. Sometimes no trader is also a very good trade. Yes. You guys are very clever, you are very sharp because you are students of Aftab Forex Academy. Sorry, I said the word student. Maybe you are a doctor, you are a senior, maybe you are on a bigger position or something. So I don't want to like, slightly casual right here, okay? Because I cannot see you, so I don't know. So that's why I use the term student. Most of people then say, oh, look at him and he's calling us students. Let the time come, okay, then you will see. See, just understand my journey. Thank you, Feroz Khan. So better not to go near this market. If one person asks me to trade, okay, then I think this 85 pips was enough, okay, or 20 pips if one gets, okay. But I think 45.02 is a fresh scalping sell level for me. Okay, let's see if it is going to stop me out or not. I think 0.02 should be enough for it. Shall I make it? Yes, 0.02 will be enough. Let's see. Okay, right here I'm taking it with, but still my friend, 46 pips is too much. Dinch, my dear friend, first of all I'm really sorry. I yesterday had a little bit chit chat, so later when I was about to sleep I was thinking maybe I laughed with Dinch, my dear friend, so I didn't want it to offend him or something. But Feroz Khan, aloo and beans khata with roti. Ah. Potatoes and beans you want to eat with bread. Great. My friends, this stream is again giving me a trouble. Today I deposited the fee But I mean, like, friend, why? YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, we will experience buffering. But my wife, friend, why? Like, why will you experience buffering? Why? What wrong I just did? Internet speed is nice. So what problem then? Output is okay. Let me reduce then the bit rate a little bit. Okay. Sorry, guys. I have to little bit compromise on the quality then. Okay, let's see. Is it fixed now? When I have this error right here, I cannot speak freely in the because when I open the empty, I have one screen right here. Soon I will be expanding it a little bit, but for now it is one. So when I look at this MT4, I still, when I'm talking and then suddenly I think, oh, is the stream on? So okay, now it is good. So yes, okay, now it is good. Great. It is a big mental loop for me, I should say. Okay, so let's see. Right here, okay, 4502 maybe. Big maybe, because my friend, see, it is keep taking its bigger branches. And oh my friend, look at this. Don't you remember I discussed this particular pattern on the H1? I talk about it a lot previously. My friend, this whole level is H4 and H1 sell. Okay. So on the lower time frames, I'm a bit hesitating. Okay. To buy, because on the lower time frame it is bullish, higher time frame is bearish, but the market maker know this, and that's why there is a probability fake outs and stuff like that, similarly to the downside. So sometimes patience is also good. Let me highlight this particular level. I think it is being played out for almost 35 pips. I'm trading for almost like a long time, my friend. In 2013 I started. My friend, I missed this. Oh, I missed this, my friends. I really missed this. No problem. So I'm trading, my friend, since 2013. Okay. But 13, and from 13 till 14, 15, 16. 3 years I was completely loser. In 2016 I was randomly just playing around with these trend lines and back testing on the MT4. But my friends, I started the whole story. Yes, I already have told this whole story already. So yes, from 2016 then I'm on YouTube right here. Okay, ups and downs we have seen together. I'm not saying we haven't seen. 2020 was the biggest down year for us. Then we recovered it back till 2021 June on the higher scale. I'm discussing like swing and those other stuff. Uh, and personally I trade with smaller accounts. Okay, and I have one problem. I cannot tell someone, hey, trade it right here. The moment I tell him, I get a little bit upset, because you know, if I take a loss for myself, so hardly what will I do? Hardly I will have a little bit regret and this and that, then later I will recover. I have seen so many losses, so no problem, one another one. But those who come to me and ask me for a signal without understanding, I do give signals. Claudio is one of my good member. He's with me from Poland. I'm not sure, he's a doctor, works in the hospital. So he To him I give him directions and this and that, but now his level is also like. So I have such people whom I work closely with. But in a group I cannot, like, I just hate these signals. In the past I have lost a lot of money in 2013 and 2014 on signals. You guys are very lucky. In our time there was very hardly any streams, okay? Back then I used to live stream. Let me show you, okay? Would you like to see some of my old stuff right here? Let me just a glimpse, okay? A glimpse. Let's go a little bit back in time. Let's see, okay? Let's see. Back then I used to live stream with Google Hangouts, okay? My friend, dial up connection back then I had. Or maybe I was upgraded to 1 megabit, yes, 1 MB, not dial up, sorry. It was 1 MB, but its upload speed was hell slow. We'll be looking at the market side by side, okay? I want to see something right here. So let's see to live sessions, okay? uh, let me show the Chrome a little bit, but I want MT4 to be visible, okay? I want MT4 to be visible. Where should I place it then? Maybe here? Yes, it will be nice. We are current market is not hiding from here. Let's quickly go quickly, because we are entering go anyways into a very see all of these my live streams. Oh, how many of them? But I want to go to the previous ones. Okay, let's see. There are a lot side by side. Oh, I guess I missed. But let's see, okay. I'm not chasing it. Oh, how many live streams I did. I want to show you some streams from the past. My friend, I am a very extremely old player in this market, okay? Let's go to the last page. Oh, last page. Going to the last page was a bit struggle. Okay, let's see. Okay, right here. Can you guys see this or not? I don't want to hide the current market, okay? Can you see the date on it? January 25, 2017. Would you like, let's see, let me play this one for you, okay? Side by side, let's. I was a little bit beginner as well back then, but anyways. So this is the starting of that. Oh, look at my sound was very different. I was like so scared. Okay, I'm not buying. I'm not selling. Okay, let's delete this. Market is very crazy, my friend, today. This is a stream from 2017. Let me fast forward a little bit. It's not showing the screen nicely. Okay, let's stop that. Who asked me this question? That's why I go into this much detail. This is from 2017. Back then on Google Hangouts I used to do it. Okay, so far no trade for me, waiting for reversal. Give me sell entry. Well, let's see. Dr. Gold, I have resistance level 45.10. Should I wait? What does 4 hour time frame show? Wait, okay. How much $1 converted to Pakistani rupee? 278 rupees. 278. Yes, Feroz Khan, it's about helping you guys understand. Now seller is a little bit afraid. Let's wait for a little bit good price, okay? Even if I'm selling in such conditions, my friend, if I sell, I have no confirmation. So how do I sell? This is yet another important question in front of us. That if we want to sell, how should we sell? This is bullish, above the trend line, because we are disciplined traders. You know, this is also a very disciplined trader, because you will be looking at the market, you will be 100% sure it will be going in your favor, but you will be not trading. It means you are also disciplined, because why? Is a person crazy who will be looking at the market going in his favor and will be not trading? Nah, that person is not crazy, that is disciplined. That person is waiting for something else. I hope you guys get it. That's something else. What is that something else? It can be like maybe a trader is waiting for a pullback, and maybe when the pullback comes, let's say the trader is disciplined, his entry got picked up but he stopped out and he's patiently waiting for the next setup. This is discipline. So yes, if one wants to stay disciplined, what do you say, my friend? Now I think this level became so obvious. Okay, I am taking a risk of 39 pips. In terms of dollars, it is way too low, $7.80. Okay, and I'm quickly moving my stop to break even. And if I want to pick profit, see this 2019 pips I booked from the market, and this is the successful way. I just don't want to get married with it for now. Let's see quicker stuff I want to wait for, because I'm anyways getting happy if the market drop till here. Then what I do, you know, for a clever person a hint is enough, right? So this is that confused zone. Will you be remembering it or will you be forgetting it? Please tell me this. Promise me you will not, whatever I'm writing now, you will not be forgetting it. Have a look at it. This situation I want to make for you, and you have to remember it. This is, what is this price doing right now at this moment? This is H4 retest. And for the beginners, I want to tell you that why a retest occurs. Obviously a retest will be occurring when something breaks. So in the past we have seen this breakout, Nice, good, fantastic breakout we have seen. Nice. What after that market go for a breakout? Now is those H4, those people who dropped the market from there, these people, they are acting as a separate impulsive wave. Okay, so I don't say it is crashing that much, it can crash as well. Bigger time frames do align with this particular one. But I say okay, let's drop a little bit, okay. Then nicely on the intraday slowly go slightly up till there again. Then maybe give us a breakout or maybe create a nice double top right here so we can sell again. Clear? This you are not going to forget. So this is a H4 retest level. Don't forget it at all. And whenever H4 retest level is playing out, on the lower time frames people are busy in buying. Okay, and sometimes the rally do continue. Maybe that sometime is today, it can continue. Don't judge me that, but the ideal thing is then where these H4 sellers has gone. For a clever, a hint is enough. Understand it. Okay, so level, no doubt anyone is playing out. Wow, my friend, that stop loss is still surviving. Okay, it is, anyone is holding anything, not a trade signal. Okay, just friendly talking. It's not about, okay. uh oh great, Feroz Khan moved to Pakistan, it's good. Please find me wife from Pakistan. Well, let's see. Ahmad, walaikum assalam, how are you doing? Trading time frame is different. I work on different time frames. If you are asking me right now, the one that I'm explaining is 5 minute. I'm sitting out today. Marcus, yes, it's better to stay away. Okay, yes. Sitting out today means like you want to stay neutral. You want to say FOMC minutes meeting for US in 4 hours time. Yes, they are and they will be. Okay, they will be later 11 p.m. my local time. So now bullish stories I have covered. Let me show you a little bit. Let's again move to another template. I like blue, I like this black template a lot, my friend, but then out of you some people have problem with this. So my friend, look at this. Oh ho 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 ho. On which time frame? On, oh my friend, look at it on the M30. This is a bearish engulfing. But my friend, 180 pips of a stop loss is required for this one. Not a trade signal, nothing. Huh? See, and it makes sense. It makes nice sense. See, let's plan for it, okay? See, market nicely coming down from there, okay? It's okay, let it go down nicely. See, respected. Then this time no respect. So a moment ago what I said about a retest level, this is this retest level of this trend line. So I mean for scalpers 100 200 pips is gone nowhere. Okay, this is what I feel as a buy. Yes, so now that sell story, let's look at that as well, because you know market is also selling and also buying at the same time. See, then what about this then, my friends? And what about this triangle? Do you remember I said this is a triangle, but it never formed? Now if I tell you, if on the daily time frame this market even slightly go with a bigger candle inside this triangle, ah ha ha ha, my friend, we will completely lose the volume, because then the traders will not understand, is it going up or is it coming back down. So the gamblers will be gambling, the inconsistent will be losing, and the scalpers, let's see, they will be 50-50. So yes, to the sell side, this is a H4 retest level, and obviously on the retest level we sell the market. So anyone sold, that entry is still valid. See, still valid. This was a sniper entry. Anyone holding with me, coming on to your chat if there is any. Okay, by FMC hoping we will come out of buys. Iceberry, let's see these buys. Are you also holding buys? Let's see. We will no with FOMC minutes. No, this is a very bigger level. Okay then. But yes, maybe we can. Ideally, I look for this. Okay, sort of. Let's wait if the market is doing it or not. Patiently wait. Okay. If the volume is too strong, then it will be doing it immediately. Okay, and there is a lot of liquidity built up right here. So even let's see if it will be working or not. But if you are selling, keep, like, hold the position with break even. This one position that we just took, I closed it because my situation is different than yours. Yes, 45.30 seems very much obvious today. Okay, I want to see this little correction first of all. Okay, if it comes right here in one go, I will be more happy. Okay, because I'm simply doing nothing. I'm simply closing this sell. Okay, I'm putting right here below this low, I am putting a sell stop, not stop loss, sell stop, and I'm just leaving it. Have a look at it as well. This is a 61 area as well. Did you understand the logic of this sell? Why this market is dropping? Because this is that H4 retest level, and I mean, if H4 remain lower below this, let's see if I can quickly scalp. Yes, Feroz Khan, there is open for USA, reverse back up to yes. Uh, PS Kumar Reddy, 45, 42 registration. What do you mean? I didn't get it. I mean, people appeared okay from right here. This is very good sign. If price closes above this, then I can prepare for a breakout. But at the first place, I think market should respect this level. Do you like the strategy, my friends? Beautifully played, but I personally missed it with. Still, let's see, okay? This trade gave good profits exactly from 45.05. I left early. This is the ideal buying level, my friends. I can easily target 250 pips from this 61.8, but not with a smaller stop loss, okay? I will be risking around 300 pips of a stop loss for this one. Let's patiently wait for it. I want to see it dropping so that I can close my trade. Hmm. Yes, we need to be patient and observing. Lot of liquidity build up obviously can crash as well, but today is not crashing day. Maybe ideally if it dropped till here, at least I can target at least than this level 250 pips, but let it drop first. It's not dropping. I think today the market is getting now again beautiful. Let's wait a little bit, and I will be now starting my scalping, okay? Because I think now I am this whole story is now making sense in my mind, okay? Let's see, my friends, let's see. The story makes sense. Just a little bit I'm waiting. Wait a little bit, okay? For now, these are these insider structures. I think I was expecting this 50-60 pips right here, but it 21 pips, no problem. My friend, let me sit a little bit with comfort. Okay. Bulls appeared. Oh, better to see it on the 5 minute. Again, this buffering thing is making it hard for me. Properly with patience, I will be trading today if I get a chance. What? Huh? Jawad? Jawad? Come here. Why? What's going on? What's going on? Nothing. Okay. Still 14 pips further. Don't crazy sell, okay? Be a little bit patient. It's crazy dropping, okay? Level picked. Oh, seems like it's stopping me. Let's see. This move completed. Now we have to see further what this candle and how it closes. I still wish it dropped further. See a big candle. I think big drop is still expected. Maybe that support level I want to ideally see. A double bottom right here. Ideally a double bottom on the H4 for swing opportunity. Let's see what the bulls do right here. I was about to sell from here, didn't get a chance. No problem. Uh-huh. Yes, inverse. This one played out and this one, but is not yet created. Volume is crazy to the sell side, okay? Yes, it's crazy to the sell side. If for this level is broken on the H4, it will be coming back down to 4380. Remember, 4380. Reaction can come from right here, but that reaction, let's see. This level is broken. Let's see what the market does right here. This trade I took on the basis of this candle. You see this one, this. Volnis Volvik, hi, how are you doing? Yes, my friends, I was talking about you earlier. So you said 4510. Yes, yesterday you were completely correct. This is a trade, but let's see. I mean, the stop is too tight, okay? But if this level play out, my friend, keep this thing in mind. Oops, again. keep this thing in mind that if this validates, consider this market on top of where? On top of where? 45.15. So if I'm anyways holding a risk, then let's hold this position a little bit long term. As far as 44.85 is active, now it will be showing us bullish wave. Okay, do I have a TP for this particular trade? Okay, and this one can act as this. Okay, see, makes sense. When the bulls see this, they will be crazy running towards this setup. But sometimes it do work very nicely quickly, sometimes it doesn't. So in advance no one knows if it is that good one or if that is bad one. Time will decide. If I'm stopped out, I will say okay, this was not in my favor. But technically, like when other traders like me, they see it, even the market maker themselves, these smaller hedge funds and them, so they can push it. I booked 25 pips from the market again. Okay, who is with me on the WhatsApp? Samsung Health is running to measure your health. Oh, thank you so much, Samsung Health. Bill paid. You paid rupees 3410 to Storm Fiber. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, but please don't disturb me on messages. Okay, this makes sense on the scalping, my friends, but this one. So yes, it already gave profit. I booked my profit from the market. Yes, let's see some profit right here. But I now strongly think that it can continue pushing higher. Look at this candle, this trend line. Then okay, let me take a proper risk then right here. Okay, if I'm anyways willing to target this level of 45.15 approximately, let's make it 45.10, then fine. Otherwise I will give how much dollars to the market again? $20. Or if I win $37 it will bring. Good, my friends. For a drowning person, a little peace is enough. This is a local saying right here. When a person is drowning, he just try to catch anything that comes in his hand. My friend, I realized something now. The technicality of this market is now more, because it suggests a re-entry to this particular zone as this plan here. So well, my friend, the thing is, and if it break, it is coming then down till here for a double bottom. So the story is a little bit now more changed. Anyways, let's patiently hold the position. I'm holding. 44.92 a sell. Wow, perfect. 61 pips you booked. Volness Volvic, my friend, you are rocking. You booked this profit, right? Book it, don't be too greedy, or at least move stop to break even on a sell. I will be also looking for sells maybe, but if it breaks, okay, then there is good range with me. But for now, I think maybe there is this tiny ABCD formation as well. A failure can let it drop. Volume getting increased to the sell side of the market, and I think it is dropping. It became complicated a little bit. Oh, level is respecting. Good. Yes, Volvic, you came a little bit late today. Remember, my stream is not a trading signal or something. Do your own research before trading. This is taken. This is taken. This is this. This is valid, okay? It's not yet taken. Okay, my friends, my screen will be right here, and I'm. What do you say? Shall I leave or stay? Let's see, okay? I'm anyways not turning off my screen. Oh, maybe a breakout, okay? I think so. Just one moment, I will be back. No, my friend, no chances of survival now of this trade. Oh, surprisingly, this will be a surprise to me if it continue bullish, because I don't think so. $20, great. 44.20. Oh, 44.20. You are targeting very big. Where is your stop loss? My friends, this again will remain a very key level for me on the intraday, okay? Let's do it a little bit here. See my friend, this is the H4 system going on. Potentially this candle can go up, take a retest of the previous candle. So the ideal SL comes right here at 45.12 somewhere. This will be the ideal one. But this is a very big risk, I should say. But I am also then targeting for this one. Let's see the long-term image a little bit, the trend line study perhaps. Then this is the projection, my friend. 44.10. How much? 44.10. Right here. See it this way. Look at this trend. But then, my friends, the thing is, yes, obviously, stop loss will be above the trend line then, okay, because it will be doing this may be some false, and then this. And there is still maybe, who knows, a double bottom forms there. Like, this is real market, but let's see if a strong crash is coming, how that will be looking like, because then this intraday session doesn't make good sense. Okay, this one, because, and there is a reason. So then on the basis of this plan we can say this market at least can go take a retest near this zone. As per this plan, this buy definitely can go back to around 44, around 4500 again from somewhere right here, and then come back down and this level respects. But there, if we get a breakout or some false signals, we will be out. Or maybe if we get a breakout from there, then market is going back to 4532. In my career, I have seen both of these situations. Sometimes I traded this one, this go in my favor. And sometimes I trade this one, it doesn't go in my favor. Similarly, same for this one. So this is that technicality of the market. And professional traders, good traders, they are still placing their stops above this 4528. Okay, 4528. So this will be again a challenge. Let's see if it can, 4510 can survive. Round numbers they are, see, at 4510 is the stop loss, at 4410 is the take profit. Makes sense. There is an ABCD pattern as well. I hope you get what I say. Okay, thank God I stayed a little bit, because now at least this sell image is a little bit getting clear to me, but this level obviously will be playing its part. The volume with which it is dropping, I think on the 1 minute, let's see how the reaction will be. Let's find first a little bit precise number, and the precise number is this. Okay, so if I say it is breaking it, that will be guessing, and if I say it is respecting it, that also will be guessing. Everything will be guessing. Okay, literally every professional trader who takes a trade is guessing, but proper guessing. Okay, proper guessing, not here and there guessing. There is a proper back end story behind what I'm doing right now. Okay, back end story from previous week, how I'm following this gold, how nicely it is giving me profits, everything. Now I have seen plenty of the time such patterns where, my friend, you see this particular area will be respecting the market, and from right here they will be taking it. Then, my friend, what will we do? We will be stopped out. So yes, this is, my friends, a little bit, let me sit a little bit comfortable, not very formal stuff will be here. Okay, yes, not very formal at all. Did that level respected on the 1 minute? Let's see for a reaction. I'm soon starting swing trades. Okay, and this 0.05, if you know, this is a swing trade with a stop loss. Okay, 45.10 my stop loss, 44.10 my take profit. and this 0.09 story is hedging story. Okay, I wish it doesn't respect this level and it just crash. I'm holding 0.05 sell, my friends. 0.05 sell I'm holding right here. And seems like, let's see, I wish this level doesn't respect. I don't want to look at it as a bullish now. But if this level respects, it will automatically be making me. Shall I close this 0.09? Let's wait for a confirmation. I just want it to just crash and hit that 4410. This much I want. But obviously market doesn't listen to my wants and not wants. This is also true. But my friend, the level is reacting, huh? Nah, there is no confirmation till now so far. First of all, let me move the stop to break even. Yes, if it is going to give me profit, it will be giving me profit anyways. Okay, and if it is supposed to be stopping me out, it will just stop me out like other trades. Okay, so yes, nothing very fancy about it. Later if it worked for 500-600 pips, so nothing very fancy, just see, it is. And who knows, my friend, during this fall, if this balance go to 0, suddenly I'm going to close this whole garbage. You know, these trades early used to make a bit of tension over my head. Why? Because they are hedging trades. There is a solution to everyone, my friends. Everything there is a solution, but not blindly. Understanding is the key. Understanding is the key, my friends. Without understanding, nah, my friend. How come this possible? Without understanding, this market will be giving profits to someone. Now, my friend, I was about to leave the stream, but the problem is this market is dropping. First of all, there is a double bottom formation chances as well. Chances, I'm saying. I am not saying, hey world, this is the double formation. Nah, there are chances. So if there are chances, I have to stay a little bit. Plus this H1 candle can also bounce off from this level, my friend. Oh ho 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 ho. Okay, let me book 40 on this one and 50 on this one, and okay, let's see, my friend. Now let's play on this one. This is on the intraday. We need to change our buys as this. Yes, my friend. Now I will be looking for a 1 minute reaction, but obviously, my friend, if this decision go a little bit wrong, will be giving me 170 pips of a equity drop right here. Okay, yes, as a hedge, when I'm in hedging, I have to see my equity as well, my friend, not just my balance. If I just look at my balance, nah, my friend, how, dear, how come that's possible? Now, my friend, I say okay, it just doesn't crash, it just go continue. So what I earlier said, till here I am nicely bullish, but I will get a little bit cautious right here. Why? This trend line all the way from yesterday is holding, and even before that and before that. And if I become a Spider-Man right here, that no, market is going to break this, then what this market is going to do to me? Will say wait, okay my friend, wait, I tell you, I show you. It will be drum. So yes, and one is that thing, if it this same candle continues straight up, yes my friend, that's then I like. Earlier my mood was not very good, now my mood is getting better. Wow, wow, look at my equity my friends, $100 been already added. Wow, wow, equity is touching 1300 again. But my friend, my price again entering into a sell zone on a 1 minute. Oh, my friend. Immediately this profit can be taken away from my hands. But what should I do, my friend? I have to hold it. I have to trade this way. It may be seem crashing to most of the traders, but my friend, this candle can also go for an attempt to break this particular one, then my equity will more increase. But this was a good sniper entry, I should say. But I want to remain with the oh, make it 0.09. I want to remain disciplined. Yes my friend, I am now relaxed. Wow, what a beautiful trade it was. Did you saw my equity increased? See my friend, my equity increased. Beautiful trade it was. I mean literally beautiful trade it was. Fantastic trade it was. Yes. Now wherever it go, it just go. Okay, wherever it go, it just go. Let's see it again. Wow, as expected from a sell level, a sell appeared. Wow my friend, wow. But this is a hedging trade. Okay, and volume is getting increased as well, and big reaction appeared right here. So what do you think? Oh, isn't this, oh my computer is freezing, aren't they preparing for 45.32? They definitely are preparing for 45.32. But I'm in hedge trade my friends, then I will be taking a fresh opportunity then. Okay, who knows, it can be false. It can be false. Let's wait my friends, my ideal time is coming for trades. Fresh trades I will be doing just 0.02, not more than this my friend. No. See how sad I was the whole day. My equity got down, I was so sad. Oh. This decision for me is this, if I delete this one, then is a bit emotional one. Otherwise my friend, let's see, wherever I catch, I will catch. Wow, I mean I literally enjoyed. Okay, now is the turn for this 45.32. I'm going to sell again. So on the 15-minute, this is how I find my and catch my markets. Maybe if the next candle come back down from right here, I am buying again. Bigger volume appeared to 45.32. Bigger volume, yes, bigger volume it is. What you are saying my friends? This is bigger volume. Leave a like dear friends, leave a like. This is a very informal, casual type of a stream for all of you, giving world class education right here in my stream. Suddenly subscribe the channel. Suddenly. Here is where you are going to become full-time successful traders, if you listen to me nicely. So pretty much the NY session for me go very nicely and happy as well. This level, wow my friend, 200 pips as I was planning for, I got from the market. Further, if I get involved in this rally, I will be going with a 0.05 with a fresh trade. I am not going to touch this one. This is a hedging trade, my friend. Hedging trade it is. Yes. What are you saying, my friend? Okay. Wait. Right here. Yes. If this sell is giving me profit, I will book in. Will again try 150 pips. Yes. Wow. I mean, literally beautiful trade it was. Now, if I enter right here, this will be emotional for me. Completely emotional for me it will be. So that's why I'm not entering into this. Sometime waiting for the market is also very good. Patiently wait for the market. Patiently. Such education I'm going to bring to you on this channel. No one has ever. Has someone told you how to quickly change your bias between these time frame conflicts when I trade? This is a very pro stuff. If someone from the Wall Street know about this strategy, oh my friend, imagine. Some people contacted me for it, but not that way, not their way. I want to teach it, I want to demonstrate it live with people. With people. These are emotions, these candles. What are they? These are emotions. So, yeah, these are emotions. Today I'm a little bit like a Batak style, like freestyle a little bit. So for my posture and this and that, I'm very much sorry, my friends. Okay. Yes. Anyone making any profit or some, anyways, I'm just tiring myself. My dear friends, when I speak to you just as casual as this, I consider all of you as my very dearest friends. So what I just said is that there is this trend line. No doubt it looks very. Normally I trade such breakouts. Today why I'm not trading? This is a logic I explained earlier. Very few people understand what I say. Big consolidation started. Bulls got stuck. Why? Because of their own emotions, my dear friends. Because of their own emotions. And emotions are not good for trading. That yesterday I discussed it in much detail when I give that example of dissolving and this and that. I don't remember the session, but make sure to check it out. The recent one, 2-3 days ago, this week I discussed. Don't dissolve in these charts, dissolve in the real world and look an eye like have an eye like a bird who is looking for a prey. This was a sniper one today. This one. Breakout is not yet done, okay? Unless this breakout doesn't happen, nothing changes, okay? 4500 I said it can go, it did. See why the market is slow right here? Because traders are looking at this H1 trend line. So when a person doesn't understand a trend line, how will he know that the market slow down at where the market will slow down? I said it early. And in case if one say why I'm not trading this, I'm anyways like there is a C to D. My friend, this is not that type of a market. A moment ago it was also showing this and still is showing this. Okay, this it is showing this, but at the same time it will be showing this, and both can be traded. One is the corrective, one is the pullback. Corrective, pullback, corrective, pullback. Go in this sequence, you will never get lost again. Another attempt to break the trend line, eyes on 45.32. Aftab entered with 0.02 and a stop loss of my friend, yes, just below this candle, nothing much. Okay, stop loss of 62 pips. Okay, I am reducing the stop loss to how much? 10 pips. No, still it is 27 pips, my friends. It is still 20. Look at this, my friend. How small candle and 27 pips. Oof. What type of a market is this? Since it is a small lot, so let's take it to here. 45.32. And this candle is not yet closed. Okay, this M30. Let's see how it closes on the price action. What we study, the next candle can come back down, take a retest of the previous one. I made a detailed video about it. There I discussed the monthly chart, but it is applicable on any time frame. Okay, candle is a candle, whether that is on a 1 minute or a 5 minute. Candle will be a candle, and candle will have its own psychology. My friends, finally I am enjoying these live streams with you. It's really fun. Let me head over to your chat and we'll do partial soon. Great. This market is killing. Iceberry, why? 10 o'clock reversal. Stay patient, Baijan. Okay. I close profit. Vol is Volvic. Great, great. Feroz Khan buy 44.80. Let's see. 1 hour inverse head and shoulder. Okay, let's see. Yes, brother. TB 45.40. Sorry, 420. You like reversal candles 10 o'clock USA? Yes, Feroz Khan. I got it. The king of the candle needs to break. Thank you, dear Feroz Khan. Hawk eye. Thank you, dear. Okay, getting back to the market. Now on 5 minute, this big bullish candle, see, and this H1 candle, my friend, and this M30 which is closing in 1 minute, but then the next candle, my friend, consider it drum then, because price action exactly say this, and if it is breaking, then yes, it is breaking. Technically it was supposed to be dropping. If it is not dropping, then it means this is still bullish. 45.88. Who bought 44.88? Wow, Feroz Khan, great, good decision. I am getting ready for maybe a sell, quicker one. Wow, my friend, look at it, 9700 pips. It is giving me nicely. Further is expecting. but at least this ABCD pattern will be completed. And if bulls touch this 45.32, then 44.73 becomes our turn caught support. I'm saying it. Yes. Let's see. 45.21, it's already trading at the moment. Wow, I spent 2 hours and 10 minutes today. Still there are no 12 likes on the stream, but my friends, then you guys make me a little bit upset then, huh? Don't do this, okay? Please do that. See how beautiful world class information I bring for you. But my friend, this is a very big candle. Who knows, it may stop, it may not stop. So then let me move the TP a little bit higher. See, here I am getting a little bit greedy. Maybe overconfident as well. Learn from my mistake, my dear. Those who learn from the mistakes of their mentors, they are always good traders. When markets give profits, they just give profits. Here, okay, but I shouldn't be getting much overconfident because this candle is bigger, but the reaction can be bigger as well from 45.32. After all, that is also a very strong level. Okay, so we'll be observing. Let it go closer there, then I will be observing on the lower time frames. Nice 171 pips this trade is giving me. Let's see, okay. If it tap 45.31 or 45.32, then I think maybe either a strong breakout, because on the H4 we also have something running, okay. In the morning video, did you see if 45.32 gets broken, then the bulls will be preparing for, remember my words, okay, remember my words, each and every word I say, 46.51. Yes, my friend. So who knows, if this is a strong rally, it can do it right now. Yes. You on gold market, it moves as this. One needs to be sharper enough to catch these moves nicely. So let me move my stop to break even to be completely relaxed now. Okay. 45.20 is also a good level for a sell, but I'm not selling. See how crazy it is. Why should I sell? I should wait for the market to slow down a little bit and this and that. Wait, okay, just one moment. Okay, so there is some grocery I have to bring, my friends. First let me get rid of this trade. Okay, I shouldn't be violating the rules. This point D is completed, my friends. This D is completed, my friend. Yes, on the intraday scalping, if it gives me a valid sell zone, or luckily if I get a chance to close these buy trades, okay, otherwise maybe this plan needs a little bit of adjustment. So let's adjust the plan a little bit. And yes, this is now not happening, okay. If I'm saying, if this 15-minute candle closes above this zone, this zone 4500, then this 4410 is violated. Okay, so I will be deleting it if we get M15 close, because see, M15 touched that area and seems like it should be coming back down to maybe from there. Let me again hold a tiny sell right here. How much stop loss? It is 85 pips is still too much, my friend, but huh, what do you say? 85 pips is too much. Let me quickly grab this 22 pips from the market. Yes, further quickly, this and that. Let me know in the chat, do you think this week I can bring this equity back to 1880 and I can close the week right here at 1880? Remember, I opened my week from 1440. Just for fun purposes I'm sharing these with you, okay? No bigger stuff going on, right? Yes, just I think the balance doesn't matter, but the equity. Nice comeback of the sellers from the predicted area. Still we have 8 minutes left, my friend. If in 8 minutes this market come back down, closes below this level, then, and anyways that is for a sell. Those who didn't bought, they should sell. Beautiful sell opportunity this is. My friend, let it wait, let it go a little bit. Still 7 minutes left. Let's see what 5 minutes is saying. Huh? Let's see. Anyone who is watching me for the first time, click the subscribe button, okay? What I was want to see, let's see, okay, wait. What did I say? It can become a turncoat support, and it did. Now turncoat resistance. From here, if we get a break, market is straight crashing, and from here, if it go up, market is straight going up. So this much important level it is, my dear friends. 45.30, approximately till 45.40. Keep that much in mind. Let me tell you why I'm saying it. Why I'm holding these buy trades. See, because the market from right here was showing me this impulsive wave. Where yes, here. See, all of a sudden, and on the intraday I tried to catch these moves, then I hedge it. Okay, these are not the swing. The swing definitely would have hit the SLs. These are hedging. Let's see if give me 232 pips or not. 13-15 pips it's immediately giving me. Let's see. Okay, I took this trade on the basis of this candle. Okay, so stop should be right here. The market makers know this, but ideally it should be right here. Not much. Just how much pips? 47 pips. Well, it's okay. Less it is, because I'm anyways taking this trade on the basis of this candle and this candle. If this come up as this, then I will not be willing to hold a position. Yes, let's see if 47 pips can give me 5 times its 200, around 47 pips risk can give 232 pips of a take profit or not. Let's see. We will know today. Sometimes I have got bigger profits with smaller stop losses, and sometimes market stopped me out as such that you cannot imagine on the smaller stop losses. Sometimes higher stop losses gave me nothing, instead losses, and sometimes smaller stop losses gave me bigger. This is life, every situation I have seen. People are waiting for the 15-minute candle to close. Yes, if this is a 15-minute candle, my friend, this is, then the next one might first go up there, take the liquidity, then come back down till here, then from here take a retest from the broken trend line and continue bullish. But the last 15-minute candle, this the one that will be forming after it, will be way too problematic. Why? Because this H1 is also closing. Who knows, it can close with a pin bar. 1000 times I have seen it. I'm not saying it is closing now with pin bar. It can, it cannot, but at least these probabilities are there in the market. This next 15 minutes is going to decide if this trend line is broken or not. This, because if we see this H1 candle above this, most probably sellers appear from there, take it back down, and from right here the next hour it will try to go back up. This is ideal scenario. Alternate scenario obviously is a breakout. So in a breakout no one can stop it, no one can break the market or no one can stop it. We are just following what the strategy is telling us. Wow, good comeback from the sellers but couldn't sustain at this zone. Walaikum Assalam Feroz Khan. Thank you Feroz Khan. Yes, let's see on the USA news preparing for a sell. I will try to appear. Great Feroz Khan. Great, congratulations Feroz Khan. Again $100 done. Fantastic. I will also be might not be further trading. Okay, let's see for this stop loss. Okay, then I will be resuming tomorrow. I might later come for the news if the volume was good enough. And I have to decide about these trades as well today. Later, okay? I will record a video later tomorrow. I will play it then. Or I will come live then. Let's see. Wow. Let's see if it hit. I might be leaving for today. Okay. Maybe then a breakout or something. Let's see then tomorrow. But wait, I'm not yet stopped out. My actual level was 45.32. Okay. So these little scalpers are still trying to bring it back up. And remember this bigger story. These 49 minutes are very much important for the market. That hourly candle is closing. Wow. If this one continues, it will be a world record. No, I don't think so. But it can. Yes, definitely it can. This, see, it is broken. This trend line is broken, okay? On the 15-minute. Time for the H1. If on the H1 it closes as well, then I might be properly leaving this place, okay? As a seller. Yes, that one is gone. maybe a breakout or something, but I'm not in a mood to catch that. Okay, we trade later tomorrow. Okay, so take care, see you next time. And this is the situation. Good day it was. Okay, start was not very good, but then slowly gradually the market was getting strength. So thank you so much for being right here with me. Looking forward to see you all. 14 watching, just 8 likes, not justice with me and with my strategy. But anyways, if you guys like it this way, let it be. If you want to make me upset, if you want to make me happy, make it 15, so then I leave the stream. No? Okay, bye bye.